Hey there, Kim Heinz here, coming to you with a super quick tech tip on YouTube. So when you have your YouTube videos, you may have noticed that once the video concludes, there might be a number of suggested videos for you to watch once the video is done, so that way you can continue watching videos. Sometimes this will be your content, other times it'll be other people's content, and if you're using your video for marketing purposes or training purposes or whatever, you likely don't want them clicking on additional videos to continue exploring. So there's a simple way to remove these suggested videos. One thing to note about this though is that you do have to embed your video on your website. You can't just do it from YouTube. So it's all about the embedding. So you'll have to take the embed code and put it on your site for these settings to take place. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your video that you want to share, and you're going to click the share button here. And then you're going to pick embed here, and it's going to pull up this window. So this gives you some code, but before you copy this code, you need to scroll down to the embed options. Now, one thing to note is that you can actually have this start at a specific time, which is pretty cool. And again, that'll change the code up here. Down here under embed options, there are a number of checkboxes that are selected by default. And so the first one here is show suggested videos when the video finishes. Deselecting this will remove that feature, meaning once the video concludes, it will not share additional videos. You also can remove the player controls if you'd like to. I like to leave that because it lets people have control over the video. Showing the video title and player actions, that's up to you. If you're embedding it on your site, it can get kind of messy to have this, so a lot of times I'll remove that as well just to clean up the screen real estate. And so once you have all of these things and you're happy with it, then you can come up here and copy this code and embed this on your website using a code element. And then that way, once the video concludes, no videos will show up at the end, and based on what I did in this video, it will also not have the title. So I hope that helps.